Oh, big buck. Hey, hello, buddy. Here we go.
What's going on, guys? Back out here at Enterprise South today. Been a couple weeks since I've been over here. Had a couple of squad injuries lately. I kind of tweaked my shoulder about a week ago, and Brandon hurt his neck, and then Keegan fell and scraped up his leg pretty good. So I've been trying to take it a little bit easy the past couple weeks, but the weather's really nice, and I don't know when it'll be this nice again, because it's getting toward like Thanksgiving already, which is pretty wild. Bulk of the season is kind of winding down, so just gonna get a solo ride in today. Should be pretty good. Well, it's freaking awesome. Big shout out to everyone who's watched the Saddleback main video just recently. That got over 500 views, so that's pretty hype. That's good news for the channel. It was a beautiful day out here. I really couldn't ask for better. It's been a really good season so far, so yeah, keep shredding and keep adventuring, you know.